When discussing the most advanced air superiority fighter ever built, the F-22 Raptor sits at the very top. Developed during the final years of the Cold War, this aircraft was designed to dominate enemy skies before opponents even realized it was there. If the United States Air Force ever faced a high-intensity conflict with Iran, the F-22 would likely be among the first aircraft entering hostile airspace. The F-22 was developed by Lockheed Martin and Boeing under the Advanced Tactical Fighter program. The goal was simple but ambitious: create a fighter that combined stealth, speed, agility, and unmatched situational awareness. Entering service in 2005, the aircraft replaced the aging F-15C as America's primary air superiority platform. Stealth capability. One of the defining features of the F-22 is its stealth design. Its angled surfaces, internal weapon bays, and radar-absorbent materials dramatically reduce radar visibility. This allows the aircraft to approach enemy airspace undetected and engage threats long before being detected. Supercruise. Another remarkable capability is supercruise, which allows the F-22 to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners. This means the aircraft can travel faster while conserving fuel and reducing infrared signatures. Weapons. Despite its stealth design, the F-22 carries a powerful arsenal. AIM 120 air-to-air missiles. IIM 9 Sidewinder missiles. Internal 20 mm cannon. All weapons are carried inside internal bays to maintain stealth. Role in a conflict with Iran. In a hypothetical conflict with Iran, the F-22 would likely perform several missions: destroy enemy fighters, suppress Iranian air defenses, escort stealth bombers, provide air dominance. Its stealth and advanced radar would allow it to locate and eliminate threats before Iranian pilots could respond. Sensors and avionics. The aircraft's ANPG 77 AESA radar is one of the most powerful fighter radars ever built. Combined with advanced sensors and data links, F-22 pilots have unmatched battlefield awareness. Combat record. Although designed for high-end warfare, the F-22 has also been used in real combat operations in the Middle East. It conducted strike missions and provided air superiority during operations against ISIS in Syria. Conclusion. The F-22 Raptor remains one of the most dominant fighter aircraft in the world. Its stealth, speed, and advanced technology make it a critical asset for maintaining air superiority in any potential conflict. The F-35A Lightning II represents the newest generation of stealth fighter technology in the United States Air Force. Developed as part of the Joint Strike Fighter program, this aircraft was designed to replace several older fighter types with a single versatile platform. Unlike the F-22, which focuses mainly on air superiority, the F-35A is a multirole stealth fighter capable of performing strike, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare missions. The aircraft entered USAF service in 2016 and quickly became one of the most advanced aircraft ever built. Stealth and sensors. The F-35's stealth design allows it to penetrate heavily defended airspace. But its true advantage lies in its sensor fusion technology. Multiple sensors, including radar, infrared systems, and electronic warfare systems, combine information and present it to the pilot as a single integrated battlefield picture. Weapons. The F-35 can carry JDAM precision bombs, small diameter bombs, AIM 120 AMRAAM missiles, AIM 9X missiles in stealth mode. Weapons are carried internally. Role against Iran. In a conflict with Iran, the F-35A could perform several critical missions: precision strikes against missile sites, suppression of air defenses, intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, advanced networking. The F-35 acts as a flying information hub. It can share targeting data with other aircraft, ships, and ground forces. This ability makes it extremely valuable in modern network-centric warfare. Conclusion. The F-35AA represents the future of aerial combat. With stealth, advanced sensors, and powerful strike capabilities, it would likely play a central role in any modern air campaign. The F-15E Strike Eagle is one of the most powerful multi-role combat aircraft ever built. While the original F-15 was designed primarily for air superiority, the Strike Eagle variant transformed the platform into a long-range precision strike aircraft capable of attacking targets deep inside enemy territory. If the United States Air Force ever conducted major operations against Iran, the F-15E would almost certainly play a major role. Development: the Strike Eagle was developed by McDonnell Douglas. Later acquired by Boeing, the aircraft entered service with the United States Air Force in 1989. Engineers modified the original F-15 airframe to allow it to carry a heavy bomb load while maintaining the fighter's legendary speed and maneuverability. Two-crew cockpit. Unlike many fighter aircraft, the F-15E has two crew members: Pilot Weapons Systems Officer, WSO. The pilot focuses on flying and combat maneuvering, while the WSO manages targeting systems and weapons. Range and payload. One of the aircraft's biggest strengths is its range and payload capacity. The F-15E can carry more than 23,000 pounds of weapons, including precision-guided bombs, air-to-air missiles, cruise missiles, bunker-busting weapons. This makes it ideal for long-range strike missions. Weapons and precision strikes. The aircraft commonly carries JDM precision bombs, GBU, 3-9 small-diameter bombs, AGM, 158 JAS-M cruise missiles, AI, M, 120 AM, air-to-air missiles. The aircraft's Lantern targeting system allows pilots to conduct precision strikes even at night or in bad weather. Role in a conflict with Iran. If conflict occurred with Iran, the Strike Eagle could perform missions such as destroying missile bases, attacking air defense systems, striking command centers, targeting military infrastructure. Because of its heavy payload and long range, it is ideal for deep strike missions. Combat history. The Strike Eagle has already proven itself in multiple conflicts. Gulf War in Afghanistan, Iraq War. During these wars, it destroyed tanks, bunkers, and military infrastructure. Conclusion: even decades after its introduction, the F-150E Strike Eagle remains one of the most capable strike fighters in the world. Its combination of speed, range, and firepower makes it a cornerstone of U.S. air power. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is one of the most widely used fighter aircraft in the world. Known for its agility, versatility, and affordability, the aircraft has served as a backbone of the United States Air Force for decades. If the United States needed large numbers of aircraft in a high-intensity conflict, the F-16 would almost certainly be among the most heavily used fighters. Development: the aircraft was developed by General Dynamics during the 1970s as part of the Lightweight Fighter program. It later became one of the most successful combat aircraft ever produced. Today, modern versions are produced by Lockheed Martin. Unique design: the F-16 introduced several revolutionary design features. Side stick control. Instead of a traditional center stick, reclined pilot seat for high-G maneuvers, bubble canopy for excellent visibility, fly-by-wire flight control system. These innovations made the aircraft extremely agile in air combat. Speed and performance: the F-16 can reach speeds of over Mach 2, and its lightweight design allows it to perform tight turns and rapid maneuvers during dogfights. Weapons: despite its small size, the F-16 can carry a wide variety of weapons. AIM, 120 AM, 120 AM, 120 AM, 120 AM, 9X, Sidewinders, JDM precision bombs, anti-radiation missiles for destroying radar systems. The aircraft also carries an internal 20 mm 61 Vulcan cannon. Role in a conflict with Iran: the F-16 would likely perform several missions in a conflict scenario. Air defense patrols, close air support, precision strike missions, destruction of enemy radar systems. Because thousands of pilots have trained on the aircraft, it is highly flexible in combat operations. Global use: The F-16 has been exported to many allied countries and remains in service worldwide. Its proven combat record and reliability have made it one of the most successful fighters in aviation history. Conclusion: decades after its first flight, the F-16 Fighting Falcon continues to prove its value as a versatile and deadly combat aircraft. Among the most mysterious and powerful aircraft ever built is the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. Designed to penetrate the most heavily defended airspace on Earth, the aircraft represents the pinnacle of stealth bomber technology. If the United States needed to strike heavily protected targets in Iran, the B-2 would likely be one of the most important aircraft used. The aircraft was developed by Northrop Grumman during the late stages of the Cold War. The goal was to create a bomber that could bypass Soviet radar systems and deliver nuclear or conventional weapons deep inside enemy territory. The aircraft entered service in 1997 with the United States Air Force. Flying wing design: the B-2's most distinctive feature is its flying wing shape. This design eliminates vertical surfaces that normally reflect radar signals, making the aircraft extremely difficult to detect. Combined with radar-absorbing materials, the bomber has one of the smallest radar signatures of any aircraft its size. Range and endurance: the B-2 has intercontinental range, allowing it to strike targets anywhere in the world from bases in the United States. With aerial refueling, the bomber can remain airborne for extremely long missions. Weapons: the bomber can carry more than 40,000 pounds of weapons, including precision-guided bombs, bunker buster bombs, nuclear weapons, massive ordnance penetrator bombs. This allows it to destroy hardened underground targets. Role in a conflict with Iran: in a potential conflict scenario, the B-2 would likely be used for striking heavily defended nuclear facilities, destroying underground bunkers, conducting the first wave of stealth attacks. Because of its stealth, it could reach targets that other aircraft cannot safely approach. Combat history: the B-2 has already been used in several real conflicts, including Kosovo War, Iraq War in Afghanistan. In these operations, it delivered precision strikes against strategic targets. Conclusion: the B-2 Spirit remains one of the most advanced stealth bombers ever built. Its ability to travel across the globe and strike heavily defended targets makes it a key strategic weapon for the United States Air Force.